Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can customize your own crosshairs inside of Valorant. So the first thing you need to do is press the escape key on your keyboard to bring up the settings menu, and then we're just going to head over to the crosshair tab. So there's two different ways that we can do this. We can either create our own crosshair or we can use a crosshair that's already being created. So down here you'll see crosshair profile, and these are all of the crosshairs that we currently have saved. You can see if I move through all these different crosshairs, I've got different ones that I can choose from. And to create your own new crosshair, all we need to do is come down to this drop down and select create new profile. From here, give your crosshair a name. I'm just going to call it crosshair 1, and then come over to the primary tab. Inside of here, this is where we can customize the crosshair. So this is where we can change the color, as well as adjust things such as the strength of the crosshair and the thickness of the lines amongst a bunch of different other settings. Now you can just go through these settings and try coming up with your own crosshair, but a much simpler method is just to head over to an internet browser and to come to the website vcrdb.net, and inside of here you'll see a bunch of different crosshairs that we can use. So all you need to do is select the crosshair that you like. Say for instance we wanted to use this flower one here. Go ahead and click on the crosshair, come down to this copy code section at the bottom, head back over to the Valorant application, and over in the crosshair profile we need to select import crosshair profile, and then you're just going to go ahead and paste the code that we just copied. Click on import and then press OK, and as you can see we now have this flower crosshair. So it's as simple as that, guys. Just go through this website and find the crosshair that you want to use, and then you can upload that directly to Valorant. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.